Hello students, welcome again here in this video tutorial. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, that is factors and multiples. So take out your maths book, open page number 75. So in this chapter we will learn about factors and multiples. So students, what are factors? Okay. Let me explain here. Let's take two numbers. See, when we multiply two numbers, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So, when we multiply two numbers, we get the product. Is it clear? So these two numbers are the factors of the product. Is it clear, children? Okay, so we can say that factors are the numbers you multiply to get another number. Okay? So factors are the numbers you multiply. So when we multiply two numbers, here 1 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 we get the another number, or we can say that it's a product of these two numbers. So these are known as the factors of this number. Okay? And in another word we can say that factors of a number divide the number completely. It means that 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6, right? 2 3s are 3 times, and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, it means that 6 2 की टेबल में भी आता है 3 times, and 6 3 की टेबल में भी आता है 2 times. And in another word we can say that 6 किस किस की टेबल में आता है और किस किस की टेबल में 6 आता है, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 6 itself. Okay, so these all these numbers are the factors of 6, because these number divide this number completely. It means that ये numbers 6 को exactly divide कर सकते हैं, right? Because 6 इन सब की टेबल में आता है, like 1 की, 2, 3 and 6. So factors are the numbers you multiply to get another number. So these numbers are the factors of 6. Alright, children? So let's take two examples of factors. Let's take two examples, A 12 and B 16. First of all, we will find out the factors of 12. Now observe, first observe 12 किस किस की टेबल में आता है. So first we will write here 1. 1 multiplied by 12 we will get 12. Now 2 multiplied by 2 6 times is equal to 12. Now 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Then 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, and 5 की टेबल में 12 नहीं आता. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. 7 की टेबल में 12 नहीं आता. 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, 11 no, and 12 itself. 12 multiplied by 1 is equal to 12. Now look at the factors of 12. We have 1, factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. Okay? So all these numbers are the factors of 12. Alright children? Understood? Okay. Now we have another example, that is 16. So 16 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? Observe that 1 multiplied by 16 is equal to 16. 2 multiplied by 2 8 times is equal to 16. 3 की टेबल में 16 नहीं आता. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Now 5 no, 6 no, 7 no, 8 yes. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16 and 9 no. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, now 16. Okay? We will not repeat it because we have already written here 16. Now the factors of 16. Factors of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. We can write it like in this way and in this way. Both ways are correct. We have written here like 1 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now we will not repeat it again because we are changing the orders of these numbers. Here we have written 3 4s are 12. Now 4 3s are 12. Here we have changed the order, but both the factors are same. Right? Here 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12. Here also we have changed the order. 1 12s are 12, so 12 1s are 12. So this is completed here. Okay? But both methods are right. You can do in this way and in this way also. Okay children? So here we have factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And here factors of 16 is equal to, these are the all factors of 12 and 16. Right? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Okay children? Is it clear to you? Okay. So let's talk about its properties. Right? Okay. Properties of factors. So we have some properties. So here, look at here, we have written factors of 12. So observe here 1. So what is the first factor here? 1. So we can say that both the quotients in 12 and 16 we have same here 1 and 1. And it is the smallest factor. So we can say that 1 is a factor of every number. Right? So property number 1 is the factor of every number. Right children? Because in table of 1 every number come, like 1 की टेबल में आपका 1 आता है, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay? And look at the property number 2. So look at its last number. This is 12 and here it is 16. So here the factor of 12, the last factor we have here 12, and in factor of 16 we the number we have here, that is 16. It means that a number is its own largest factor. Property number 2 is a number is its own largest factor. Just look at the example of 12 and 16. So 12 is the largest factor of 12. So we can say here 12 is the largest factor of 12 and 16 is the largest factor of 16. So just look at here, 12 से आगे हमारे कोई फैक्टर्स नहीं है एंड हियर इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल 16 से आगे हमारे कोई एग्जाम्पल नहीं है. सो कोई फैक्टर्स नहीं है. 12 से आगे कोई भी फैक्टर नहीं है एंड 16 से आगे हमारे कोई भी फैक्टर्स नहीं है. सो वी कैन से दैट अ नंबर इज इट्स ओन लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर. किसी भी नंबर का अगर हमें फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं तो सबसे बड़ा जो फैक्टर होता है वो नंबर इटसेल्फ होता है, राइट. 12 इटसेल्फ में लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर है एंड जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर होता है वो 1 होता है, क्योंकि 1 की टेबल में सारे नंबर्स आते हैं. ओके, सो लुक एट द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3. A number has limited number of factors. So here you can count the factors. Factors of 12, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 12 has 6 factor. And how many factors of 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that a number has limited number of factors. हम इससे ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. सो किसी भी नंबर का आपको फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं तो वो लिमिटेड होते हैं, राइट. जिस नंबर का भी हमें फैक्टर्स निकालना है उससे आगे को हम नंबर्स उसके फैक्टर्स नहीं निकाल सकते. लाइक 12 है, 12 13 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा बिकॉज इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर, ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर्स ऑफ इटसेल्फ. सो फैक्टर्स जो होते हैं लिमिटेड होते हैं, राइट. इट मीन्स हम उन्हें काउंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3. नाउ लुक एट द प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 4. So children, in this property, just look at the factor of 12. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself, right. So just compare it, right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 are smaller than 12 and 12 is equal to 12. And in the second factors of 16, second example, same 1, 2, 4 and 8 are smaller than 16 and 16 is equal to 16. It means that the factor of a number is less than the factor of a number. You can see here the factor of a number, factors of a number is either less than or equal to, right. या तो वो उससे छोटे होते हैं या फिर उसके इक्वल टू होते हैं. इज इट क्लियर टू यू चिल्ड्रन? ओके, सो लुक ऑन द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ नंबर 5. स्टूडेंट्स, here I have given the factors of 12 and 16. Let's take the factors of 2. Right, so factors of 2 is equal to 1 and 2 because 2 1 की टेबल में आता है and only 2 की टेबल में आता है. It means that it has only 2 factors. So we have a property number 5, that is every number other than 1, just leave 1. Okay, leave this number. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. You can see here 1 and the number itself. 1 we have only one factor, that is 1. 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 1 ones are 1. So every number, okay, every number except 1, 1 को छोड़कर जितने भी हमारे नंबर्स होते हैं, काउंटिंग नंबर्स 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we can find out the factors of these number. But every number, जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं उनके कम से कम 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. One is 1, एक तो होता है 1 and the other is number itself. So you can see the example of 2 here. 2 has 2 factors. first is 1 and the next one is 2 itself. Okay, so we have discussed about properties of factors also. In this way, just learn the properties of factors. You can find out the factors of any number. Right, children? Okay, children. Next, let's discuss about common factors. Okay, let's discuss about common factors. What are common factors? Let's take two examples here. We have two numbers, right? We have two numbers. One is 9 and another one is 15. So let's take its factors here. So the factors of 9 is equal to 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 and 2. Just observe, 2 की टेबल में 9 नहीं आता. So 3 multiplied 3 is equal to 9 and 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता. 5, 6, 7, 8 की टेबल में 9 नहीं आता and then 9 itself. Okay, so the factors of 9 we will write here. Factors of first we will find out the factors of 15. Then we will write the factors together, right? So here we have another example number, that is 15. So the factors of 15, 1 multiplied by 15 is equal to 15 and then 15 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 2 की टेबल में नहीं आता. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Then 4, no, 5, 4, 5. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको स्टॉप होना है? आप फैक्टर्स निकाल रहे हो, राइट? आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन वे से निकाल रहे हो. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपको यहाँ पर स्टॉप होना है? Here you can see 1 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9 and 3 3s are 9, right? Now this number is repeating again. 3 के बाद 3 3s are 9, right? And 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता. यहाँ पर से नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है. So we will stop here. अब हम यहाँ से आगे को फैक्टर्स नहीं निकालेंगे. Okay, here the number is repeating, but just look at the next number. Here 1 multiplied by 15 is equal to 15 and next is 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Now 3 5s are 15. So 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता. Then we will write here 5 3s are 15. So in this case, look at here carefully. In this case, when the number repeating and they change their order, right? You can see here the numbers are changing their order. First we have written here 3, after that 5, and then we just change its order. 5 we have written first, then 3. So we will not write this. We will stop फाइंडिंग दी फैक्टर्स और मल्टीप्लिकेशन वे, राइट? जहाँ पर हमारे नंबर्स के ऑर्डर चेंज होते हैं, मीन्स वही नंबर हम रिपीट करते हैं, बस उनकी जगह बदलते हैं. देन वी विल स्टॉप हियर टू फाइंडिंग दी नेक्स्ट फैक्टर्स. ओके, तो हमें ये फैक्टर्स मिल जाते हैं पूरे. सो वी विल राइट हियर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9 इज इक्वल टू 1. वी हैव 1, 3 and 9 itself, and factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Okay children, now look at here which numbers are common. Both the factors 9 and 15, which numbers are common? Here we have 1. So common factors we will write common factors of 9 and 15 is equal to 1 and Just look at another one. 3 here and 3 here. So 3 also. And here 9. In the next we don't have 9. And here 5 and 15. So common factors of 9 and 15 is equal to 1 and 3. It means that in other way we can say that the numbers which are common among the factors of two or more numbers, the numbers which are common it means that same, जिस भी नंबर्स के हम लोग जितने भी नंबर्स के हम फैक्टर्स निकाल रहे हैं उनमें जो नंबर्स कॉमन होते हैं मीन्स सेम होते हैं, दीज आर नोन एज कॉमन फैक्टर्स. राइट चिल्ड्रन? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, move on to the next topic. Let's talk about numbers. Let's talk about numbers. Numbers we are dividing into 4 types, right? So, first, natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's discuss the first one, that is natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural, it means that nature which we count, right? So we can say that 1, simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are, it means that simply we can say counting numbers are known as natural numbers. Right children? Counting numbers, you can count them, count these number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these numbers are known as natural numbers. Okay, this is number 1. We are discussing about natural number. Now, whole numbers. Number 2, these are whole numbers. So the natural numbers along with 0, okay, so natural number we just start from 1 and whole number we just start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So these are whole numbers, okay. Natural numbers, simply you can say that counting numbers, and whole numbers including 0, starting with 0, are known as whole numbers. Is it clear, students? Okay, now come to the next, that is number 3, prime numbers. Okay, let's discuss about prime numbers. So prime numbers, it means that prime numbers which have only 2 factors. Prime numbers, numbers which have only 2 factors, different factors, right? So let's take example of 2 and 5, right? So 2 have only 2 factors, 1 and 2 itself, and 5 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 5 itself. It means that prime numbers are numbers which have only 2 different factors, that is 1 and number itself. Okay children, prime numbers क्या होते हैं? जिनके only 2 factors होते हैं, which we have learnt. Factors जो अभी हमने पढ़ा है, जिनके only 2 factors होते हैं, 1 and number itself, right? So before 2, so here we have 2, 5, 3. Okay, let's discuss 4. Okay, let's take out its factor. So 2 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? 4 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? 1 multiply 4 is equal to 4. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Right? Now it will repeat again. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So it has 1, 2 and 4. 3 factors. So this is not a prime number. right? Because prime number has only two factors, 1 and number itself. Let's take before 2. 2 से पहले कौन से नंबर होते हैं हमारे? 0 and 1. 2 से पहले हमारे नंबर कौन से होते हैं? 0 and 1. So these number neither prime and nor composite, right children? 0 and 1, this is a very important point, that 0 and 1, these numbers neither composite or nor prime, right? Because इनके कोई factors नहीं होते, only one factor होता है 1 का, right? So let's talk about composite number. Number 4 one is composite number. Okay, so in prime numbers we have discussed about it has only two factors, but in composite number it has more than two factors. So we have given here the example of 4. 4 has three factors, 1, 2 and 4. Now let's take another example, that is 6. So find out its all factor. आपको बताना है 6 किस किस की टेबल में आता है. So we will find out its factor here. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. Now it will come in the table of 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Now it will again come in the table of 3. But children, what I have told you earlier, if the order will be changed, so we will stop finding the factors. अगर हमारा order change हो रहा है, because we are writing here 2 multiplied 3, now we will write here 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So the numbers are same here. Look here, 2, 3, 3, 2. So the numbers are same here, only orders are changed. So we will stop finding the factors. So we will erase it, and here we have factors of 6. 6 के हमारे factors हो जाएंगे 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. It means that composite numbers are numbers which have more than two factors. Composite number वो numbers होते हैं जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं. And prime numbers which have only two factors, and these factors are 1 and number itself. एक तो 1 होता है, 1 की टेबल में सारे नंबर्स आते हैं, एक नंबर itself होता है जिसका हमें फैक्टर निकालना है. Okay children? Next we are going to discuss about prime factorization, because we are discussing about the factorization factors. So next topic is prime factorization. Okay? Prime factorization. Now what is prime factorization? Okay, so let's take example of 36. So we have to find out the factors of 36, right? So we will let's take small number, that is let's take 80, right children? Okay, so we will write its factor. First आपको बताना है 18 किस किस की टेबल में आता है. So first of all 1 multiplied by 18 is equal to 18. Now again 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 2 9s are 18. Again now 3 की टेबल में 3, yes. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Okay, and 4 no. 5 की टेबल में no. 6 3s are 18. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. Now look at here, the number are changing its order, so we will stop here, right? So the factors of 18 are is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself. Now children, look at here, what I told you earlier, that prime numbers, right? Prime numbers which have only two factors, 1 itself and 1 is 1, other is 1. Okay, so just leave 1. So we have here 2. This is prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 is also a prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. But 6, 9 and 18 are composite numbers, right? Because these numbers come to the tables of another number. 6 औरों की भी टेबल में आता है, 9 भी and 18 भी. So prime factorization, it means that we have to write down only prime numbers of the given number. हमको केवल प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखने होते हैं जो भी नंबर हमें दिया होता है. फाइन. सो 18 के हमने निकाले थे 2 3s are. If we will write 2 3s are, 2 9s are 18, right? So we have written here 18 is equal to 2 9s are 18. Right? Now we will break it. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay? So हमने 9 को भी ब्रेक कर दिया है 2 पार्ट में, 3 and 3 पार्ट में. Now 18 के हमारे फैक्टर्स हो गए हैं प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2, 3 and 3. All these numbers are prime numbers. Okay children? Here we have factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, right? But we have to find out only prime factors. Prime factor, it means that which have only 2 factors. So here we have written 2 multiplied by 9. So again we have written here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied 3 because we have break down 9 को हमने ब्रेक किया है 2 पार्ट्स में. So all these are prime factors of 18, like 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, right? In other way we can say that when a number is written as a product of its prime factors only. Okay, you can see here when a number, we have given the example of 18. When a number is written as a product of its prime factors only, we have not written here the composite numbers, right? Prime factors only, then it is called prime factorizations. Is it clear to you? Okay, now prime factorization of a number can be solved in 2 methods. We have here 2 methods. One is factor tree and one is division method. Right children? So prime factorization can be done by 2 methods. One is factor tree method and another one is division method. Right children? So let's take first, that is factor tree method. Okay, so children, in factor tree method let's take example of this one, 36. Okay, now we will make a beautiful tree, factor tree of this number. This is 36. All right, so here just break 36 into 2 parts. Write down its 2 factors, right? 36 किसकी टेबल में आता है? 2 की टेबल में आता है. That is 2 multiply what? 2 multiply 12. Okay, sorry, 2 multiply 18. Right children? Now here we have a prime number. 2 हमारा prime number हो गया है. अभी prime factors हमें 36 का मिल गया. We cannot break it because it has only 2 factors. So we will break it down, right? Because 18 के अभी हमें और factors मिल जाएंगे. 18 और किसकी टेबल में आता है? 2. And another one is 9. Okay? So here 2 9s are 18. Right? Now it's a prime number. So it has only 2 factors. It will break down again because it's a composite number. So just break it down. 9 किसकी टेबल में आता है? Yes, 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So the factor 3 method, we have prime factors of 36. These are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, right? जो हमारे प्राइम नंबर्स होते हैं हम उनको ही ओनली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं फाइनली, राइट? सो यू विल नॉट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल दी नंबर्स. आप सबको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करोगे. 2, 18, 2, 9, 3 एंड 3 सबको आप मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करोगे because 18 and 9 are composite numbers. This is factor tree method. यहाँ पर जितने भी हमारे composite numbers होते हैं उनको हमको prime number में break down करना होता है, right? So here 36 we just divided 2, so we get 18, right? 36 को हमने 2 से divide किया exactly, we have 18. Now 18 divided 2 we have 9. Now 9 divided 3, 3s are 9. So the factors of 36, we will only write down the prime numbers here. So 2 is prime number. This is prime. This is also prime. This is also prime. This 3 is also prime. So we will write here only prime numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now check it. Check your answer. 2 2s are 4 multiply 3 3s are 9. Now finally 9 4s are 36. So in this way you can solve the factor tree method. Is it clear to you? All right. Let's look on to the division method, that is here. So let's find out the factorization of 24 and 36 and one more here we have 45, right? So in division method, first take this number 24, right children? So here we will divide this number by 2. Whenever we solve the division method, we just start from the smallest prime number. And which one is the smallest prime number? Yes, 2. 2 is the smallest prime number, right? Because 1 is neither a prime number or nor a composite number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. So we'll start from 2 here, right? So just divide 24 by 2. 2 से आप 24 को आपको 2 से डिवाइड करना है. सो वी विल नॉट राइट क्वेश्चन लाइक क्वेश्चन अबव, वी विल राइट हियर. क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पर लिखते जाएंगे, राइट? सो 2 12s are 24. Children, understand? Okay. So here 2 12s are 24. Again we have 12 here. Now 12 किसकी टेबल में आता है? Again we will choose a prime number, that is 2. Alright. So 2 6 are 12. Again we have a 6 here, composite number. We will just find out the prime number. So we will again solve it by 2. 2 3s are 6, right? Now here we have 3 and again 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization or division method 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. You can check it here. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 6 4s are 24. Right children? So we have two numbers here, 36 and 45. Let's take out its prime factorization by division method. Okay? So here we have 36. First we will solve 36 here. Again we will start from 2. So just divide it. 2 18s are 36. Children, whenever you solve the factorization and multiples of any number so thoroughly, you have to learn tables 2 to 20 and 2 to 10. तो आपको आने ही हैं, right? So here 2 18s are 36. Now again we will find out by 2. 2 9s are 18. now here we have 9. 9 2 की टेबल में नहीं आता, so we'll start from 3. 3 3s are 9. We will only take the prime numbers. जब हम इन नंबर्स कंपोजिट नंबर को हम डिवाइड करके फाइंड आउट करने, वी विल ओनली चूज प्राइम नंबर्स एंड स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. 2 से जिस नंबर को डिवाइड हो रहा है, डिविजिबल हो रहे हैं, पहले हम 2 से सॉल्व करेंगे, देन वी विल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट नंबर. ओके, देन 3 अगेन. 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of division method, we have 36. So 36. So prime numbers we have 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay, now the next one is 45. All right, children. So here we have 45. We know that this is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. It can be divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. It means that 15 3s are 45. Just cross check it. 15 3s are 45. Now here we have 15. Again it will be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay, now here we have 5. 5 comes in the table of 5 only. 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 45 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So this is the division method. In this way you can find out the factorization factors of division method, prime factorization of division method. Right, children? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so we have done lots of point here about factors. So let's take page number 78. This is exercise 6A. Take out page number 78. Now, question number 3. Find out if the first number is a factor of the second number. Okay, children? We have to find out is the first number is the factor of second number. Here we have, this is question number 3. This is exercise 6A and question number 3 part A. 14 is the factor of 112. Now we have to find out, हमको बताना है कि 14 112 का factor है. It means that you will just check it again by division way. Right, 114 को आप 14 से डिवाइड करोगे. ओके, 112 को. सो टेल मी, 14 की टेबल में 112 आता है? जस्ट रिसाइड द टेबल ऑफ 14. यस, 8 टाइम्स. सो 14 8s are 112. नाउ माइनस 0. सो the question is asking that find out if the first number is a factor of the second number. Yes. Part A, first number is the factor of second number. Okay, the rest of the questions, rest of the part you will solve yourself. Right, children? Okay. So here question number 4, 5 and 6 you can solve because I have already taught you the factorization and factors and properties of factors. Till bye-bye. See you in the next maths tutorial class with next topic. Okay, children? Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.